Wow. Wow. How beautiful the skies is. Look at that. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ang oras ngayon is 6:45 ng umaga dito sa Australia. Today is Thursday. Tingnan niya. Grabing ganda. Ha? Anong masasabi ninyo dito? Is anyone can see this one? I will tell you now. God bless you. Wow. Ganda-ganda. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. With all this beautiful bird here. Ha? Tapos, mga kahoy. Ayun ang caravan. My home. Nadala-dala namin. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda, di ba? Wow. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, and the beautiful view here. Look. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy, happy day today. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Look at the sky. How beautiful is that? And all this beautiful bird. Ang ganda-ganda, ganda. Ganda talaga. Ang ganda. Ha? Ang ganda ng pwesto. Nandito kami sa Macquarie. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, ang ganda.